McPherson from McGrath Estate Agent.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to 3 Flinders Court in Lammermoor.
Situated on a large, fully fenced allotment with side access and room for a shed, this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is one to inspect.
Come on in and have a look.
This low-set, low-maintenance property really does offer ample living. I love the bay windows in this lounge area.
So guys, that was 3 Flinders Court in Lammermoor. Side access, heaps of room for the shed. The block's 940 squares, which opens up onto this parkland. If you'd like to view this property, please call Anna or myself. Thanks for viewing. See you on the next one.